Today we're reviewing a work light with a magnifying lens that was purchased at Lee Valley Tools. Something I use all the time. It's very handy. The light is really great, how you can get at different angles and spin it around. The base holding is not the strongest looking, but so far it's lasted up to my hard handling. The lid on this thing lifts up, but it doesn't really go down all the way. Not a huge deal. A little piece of masking tape holds it down, but that would be an improvement. The light is super bright. You can use it as a ring light to shoot videos, which I'll do a little bit later. But overall, if you're doing fine detailed work, like building a guitar, you need to get right down into the finest little areas to do repairs. It is so nice to see the little detail, and it's well lit, so you can work really accurately. So yeah, this light's been great. I highly recommend it. You can purchase it at Lee Valley Tools. And yes, I looked at Amazon and everything else for comparables. But hey, everything I bought at Lee Valley has been great so far. And this is another one added to the tools. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.